Hey guys, welcome to RP Tutorials. This is the first demo of the Automation Anywhere web recorder. Before we begin with the demo, I hope you guys have seen the overview video of web recorder. If you haven't, then click on the link flashing on the top right corner of your screen and watch our overview video on the Automation Anywhere web recorder. In this demo, we'll be showing how to use the Automation Anywhere web recorder to extract tables from web pages and store them in CSV files. So before we begin web recording, we have to ensure two things. Now, if you are using Internet Explorer 11 for recording your operations or recording your actions on a web page, then you need to enable the IE11 plugin in the Automation Anywhere client. So to enable that, go to Tools, go to Options, and go to Plugin Settings, and just ensure that this IE11 plugin here is installed. So for me, it's already installed, so it's a green tick for me. Otherwise, it would have been showing an option of install here. Now you can also use the Silverlight and Flex plugins in case your tasks operate in an environment wherein you'll be interacting with Silverlight and Flex objects. Automation Anywhere also provides you options of installing Chrome and Java plugins. The Chrome plugin comes into play when you're using Smart Recorder and not the web recorder. So that's with the plugins. We are set there on the plugins. The next thing you want to check before starting to record using the web recorder is that you have enabled the add-on here. So go to settings or go to tools in Internet Explorer, click on manage add-ons, and there you go. So this particular add-on, automation.internet explorer something under Automation Anywhere, should be enabled. So it's enabled for me. I'll close this. I'll close Internet Explorer. So start the automation. I'll click on new and select web recorder. When I click on web recorder, it asks for the URL on which the recording needs to be performed. Now for the purpose of this demo, I've taken a Wikipedia URL. I'll just copy this URL here. So when I click on start, it displays a tip which basically tells you to wait for the web page to load completely before performing any kind of action on it. So we're waiting now for the web page to load. So as you can see, it's a Wikipedia page of list of tallest buildings, and there are a lot of tables on this page. So let's pick up this table. In order to pick up this table and put it in a CSV file, all I need to do is click on extract table, then drag my mouse over this table. As you can see, as I drag my mouse over this table, there's a green border that appears, so it identifies the table frame on the page, and then I'll click on this table. Once I click, it opens a dialog box in which it extracts all the values from the table and puts it in different columns as well. Everything extracted beautifully. Then at the bottom of the pop-up, it asks me whether the table spans multiple pages. If that is the case, then you'll have to capture the next button, and in case the table is paginated across multiple pages, then it will automatically pick up all the values from all the pages of the tables once it gets to know what and where the next button lies. So for me, the table is only on this page, so I'll uncheck this option, click on next. Again, some options here. So the Automation Anywhere and application automatically picks up the number of table. As you noticed in the web page, there were a lot of tables. So this is the ID or the number that Automation Anywhere application is given to this table. Then it asks for where you want to save the file. You can just click on browse and say building list extract, and then we'll click on finish. So there are some other options as well if you want to change the encoding, and then we'll click finish. With that, we have captured this table, and we can then click on stop recording. It asks for a task name. Let's say web recorder demo. Save. I'll open this in task editor just to show what kind of commands are captured. There you go. Very simple commands. Open this page, extract the fourth table from this page, and when you open this, it will also show you that it will be storing that particular table in this file. You can change these options here as well after you have finished with the recording. So any kind of alteration, any kind of modification you need to do, you can do it from task editor. No need to start recording or re-record the entire task again. So I'll click on cancel, I'll close the task editor, and I'll run the task. There you go. So the task completed. It opened the Explorer. Somehow the window was not the active window, we were still on the Automation Anywhere client window. It opened the Internet Explorer, it captured this particular table, and it would have stored it here. Okay, so it's stored in building list extract on desktop. Let me open the file. There you go. All the information has been captured perfectly in the Excel in a .csv format. So with that, it brings us to the end of this video, and do watch out our second demo in which we'll show how to use the extract data option of Web Recorder with both regular data and pattern based data. And do hit the subscribe button if you like our videos.